Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today, as you have came by seeing the caption of the video, we are going to learn about the arrays of JS. Okay, and let me first keep this file named script.js, and let's open a comment and write arrays. Okay, now what is array? When you can insert multiple, yeah, it is giving again multiple values. Okay, yeah, it is giving suggestions into a single variable. Okay, what does it means? Okay, let me tell that. uh, Please ignore the means solutions. Okay, and just focus on this what I am writing. Let's see what are the different types of. Okay, no, that's too soon. Let me clear out the terminal. And yes, come here. What is an array? Okay, so for that, let me write a variable, declare a variable name arr. It is resembling an array, and let me open a square bracket, and inside that I am going to write some of the names like Natasha, Krishna, Rahul. Okay, right suggestion what I need. Pawan, and of course Kunal. Okay, so this is one name, this is second name, this is third name, this is fourth name, this is fifth name. Okay, and if you see, then there are five group of strings. Okay, this is one string, this is second string, this is third string, this is fourth string, and this is fifth string. And if we want to allocate them any kind of uh into a variable, then what we have to do is name one equal to Natasha. Okay, to store it and so that we can use it afterwards. Then name two is your Krishna. Okay, and like this we have to do is do all of the names again, and whatever the names are present here or whatever we need. Okay, but with array, what we can do is we can give a certain kind of datas or values into. We can assign the number of or multiple number of values into a single variable. Okay, this is that single variable that is called an array. Now, what kind of data type does an array can store? It can store what to say, and string, sorry, a string, or you can say number, integer, or almost every kind of data type, which whatever you know in JavaScript. Okay, array can store everything. Now let's move further and console this. Okay, console array, and let's run this file node script.js. So see, here we can see that our five names have been printed, but I don't want like that. I want that I will print each name, each name with like separately. Okay, right now every name is been printed as an whole, as an array, but I need each letter, each word separately. I want to access each word separately into that array. For that, what we can do is we can write console.log and give variable name and open square bracket. Okay, and just write the index of the name you want. Okay, of means the index of the value you want. Okay, now what does that index mean? Index means the place it is inside the into the array. Okay, the place it is taking into the array. Okay, now index in array starts from 0. Okay, yeah, you heard it right. In programming language, the counting starts from 0, not from 1. Okay, so yeah, and 0 exists in in programming life. Okay, it's not like that mathematical life or the real life that 0 doesn't exist, or you can have multiple argues, but in coding life 0 exists. And if you want to have a you want have a proof, then just console array square bracket 0 and just check what is the answer. Run the script and boom, we got Natasha. Okay, so the first place or the value of a variable will be indexed as 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, and same goes not only for array but also for string in programming language. Remember that. Okay, now if I want to print, okay, let's just comment this, and I want to print all the numbers inside all the name inside the array. Okay, so what we can do is we can just write, either we can write the whole length, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 times, and I plus plus, open this and write console log, just print array I. Okay, what's this going to do is, this is going to okay, sorry, this is going to print me all the all the names in the array. How? Because I is equals to 0, which is going to map into this at the first time, and I is less than 5. Why? Because our length is 5 only. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and index starting from 0 means 0 1 2 3 4. So length is 5, but index is 4. In last index is 4 of the array. Okay, for that, to know the length of any array, you can just write array name and then call length. Okay, length is a method we get with the into the array prototype. Okay, so just run the script and get the results. What we have got, first the array map, that is consoling this one, this line number 4. Then line number 8 is been consoled, that is size of the array. Okay, that is length of the array, which is 5. I said the length of the array is 5. Okay, then we console this code executed, and we got Natasha, Krishna, that is second name, Rahul third name, fourth name Pawan, and fifth name is Kunal. Okay, so but you can see that array start from 0, array ending to 4, not reaching to 5, because sorry, the loop not reaching to 5, because if it I is equals to 5, the loop will terminate. It is less than 5. Okay, given the condition, but still all the names are printing because this is 0 indexed, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so in programming life, 0 does exist with its value. Remember that, take it as a joke, but yeah, remember it. Now we have some of the, let's comment this thing. Okay, let's comment out this line, and we have some of the methods that come with the array as a variable. Okay, we can apply the methods of that which we get in JavaScript. Okay, what is method? Simply a function that is pre-built. Pre-built functions are also known as methods in JavaScript. Okay, and how we are going to print it? By writing object dot, there is a function known as get own property names. Yes, what is this? I will tell you later. Okay, and just write array dot prototype. Yeah, yeah, this one. Okay, now what is this going to do? Let's console it and then I will tell you. Okay, see, something came around, right? With this line number 15, something came around, and I am going to tell you what does it came. So first listen. Okay, array, this array, how this works with the methods that is pre-built in JavaScript. When we create an array, a prototype does get trigger into the interpreter of JavaScript, and it gets to know with the syntax and the values that this is a kind of array. Okay, and the methods available in that prototype, or that is inside the prototype of type array, does gets available to us. Okay, we can use all the methods inside it available. So what are the methods? These are the kind of methods. Okay, we can use all this kind of methods. These are the methods that we will use in the day by day JavaScript, or being a developer. We are going to use it. Okay, some of this I am going to I am going to explain because that are important, so be with the video. Okay, first, you know what is length. I have said it will just give you the length of the array. Okay, as it is given of this one, this is fifth, means this is an array of 5. Okay, length 5. Now let's get more deeper and let's console something. But first, now do one thing. Take one another array 2. Okay, and just do one thing. In array, put a new name. Okay, Rohit, where we are going to putting it in last. Okay, so using dot push method, we are going to, in this one, we are going to insert a new name at the last of the array. Okay, and just console, and then it will return you the new array. Okay, so just console it, the new array. Okay, now get the thing. I got 6, because what it is doing is, here array, in while pushing it, okay, it does pushes in the same array, that is ARR. Okay, and it is returning me the length of the array. Okay, so if you are going to console log ARR and just see the result: Natasha, Krishna, Rahul, Pawan, Kunal, and Rohit. Okay, so this is one of the method. Now suppose you have to remove the last Rohit name from the array. What you are going to do is, you are going to use array.pop. So what does array.pop method do? It just removes the value, last value of the array. Okay, let's do that again, and see, we popped that value, and it returns me the last value. So if you will console again, console log, okay, ARR, what you are going to do is, what you are going to get is Natasha, Krishna, Rahul, Pawan, and Kunal. Okay, it does modifies the same array and just return the last value. Okay, so if you are not consoling it, suppose you are not you don't want to console it and you just want to run this command. Okay, so just run it, and you will see that that value is get omitted. Okay, so first basic, we have four methods. Okay, push, pop, shift, and unshift. These are for inserting values into the same array and returns something or the other. Like, one is returning length, another one is returning the value. Okay, so it returns something or another. Remember that. We have seen pop and push. Okay, now we are going to see, just let's comment out the this one console log, so that we are not going to see these things again and again. If we want to refer this, then we will just come at like this upper, and then yeah. So we have seen the push, which pushes the value at the last of the array. Dot pop, which just take out the value from last of the array, and of course these things are being done into the same array. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we will do unshift, array dot unshift, and write Shiva. Okay, now as you know, this unshift will insert the name into the array, but at the very first of the array. Okay, now if you do array dot shift, okay, and just don't give anything, just write array dot shift, okay, and then console the array, what it is going to do is it will remove Shiva. Okay, so pop, push and pop is for last of the array, shift and unshift is for the first of the array, remember that. Now let's comment out this thing and move into the second part. Okay, okay, we know that push, pop, unshift and unshift are the important ones, but what are the most importance? See this join you are going to use many times in the real coding world. Okay, splice, which I use lot, find I use a lot of time. Okay, and generally prefer people teach this for each. Yes, it is going to help you, but when you are going to be a senior developer, you are going to use more of filter, map, okay, this kind of thing. Then includes, yeah, this is very helpful. Okay, please look at the methods what I'm saying and research. Okay, some will I will say, but still I will explain, but still these are very important, like map, filter. Okay, for each includes, slice, splice, join, then push, find, uh, what more can be said, fill. Okay, fill, and then sort. Where is sort? Yeah, sort, shift I already said, pop said. Then find index, what you know what is find index? Just check it. Console log, it will give you the index of the value you are going to put into this. Okay, index of, okay, it is what I have tried is, yeah. Okay, and let me do console log of array dot find index. Okay, again give Rahul. No, don't give Rahul, give some another name, Krishna this time. Okay, Krishna. This, I think this both are going to do the same thing. Okay, nothing else. So just check this once. Okay, something gone wrong. I think this in find index is something else, we will check it later on, or you can simply search upon it. But yes, see this 2 is for this one. Okay, what is this 5? This 5 is length, right? Okay, let's not confuse you. Yeah, so this 2 is for the index. It is saying that array dot index of, so find, give me the index of Rahul, which is present in the array. Okay, and Rahul is present in 0 1, and then Rahul is in 2, second index. Now suppose if you give something, some name which is not present, like Shiva, what will it print? It will give you -1. Okay, if any in value which is not present in the array, it will give you the -1. Okay, and what we can see is, we can see join. Yes, we can see, but it is too early to show you, but I can show some of more. Okay, see, you can with get in touch with the videos coming. I will show you in one video only I will show you join, splice, find. Okay, I will try to slice, includes, filter, map, and yeah, sort. These are the much important ones, so be with the video. It's the only the introduction part of array. Thank you, and yeah, keep learning.